Guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to do a bonus love reading, see what's going to happen Gemini's in their love life. And this is a general love reading, so it might not resonate with everyone out there, so just keep that in mind. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel, as I post videos over here almost daily. So yeah, let's see what's happening for love life in the month of August. Please remember, this is a bonus reading. I have already done a video. Nine of Pentacles. Maybe you're dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay. Five of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag. Maybe you're dealing with a person who is a fire sign. Okay. Queen of Pentacles, another earth sign. What more do we have for this person's feelings towards you in the month of August? Three of Wands, fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag. The Magician. Okay, great cards are coming up for you. Knight of Wands. Okay. So, for Libra, what I feel here is from a long time this person was stuck, not coming up with any action. Maybe for many of you this person wasn't responding you, not taking any action, not showing their feelings. You had no idea what this person was doing. Okay, this is the past of the relationship, and now I think this person wants to. This person is going to take action for this relationship. They are going to invest into this relationship. Okay, you're going to see this person coming up with a lot of action in this month of August. For many of you, it has already started. They have already took that action and started talking to you. Okay, but for the others, rest of the August, you're going to see this person coming up with action. They are going to be very assertive and very optimistic about this relationship. Yeah, I think they will come to a realization that no matter how hard situations feel and how hard the situation seems, they feel comfortable with you. They have this high level of comfort with you, and we can only be comfortable with the people we really love, like we really own them. Okay, so that is going to happen for you. Okay, Libra, I think May was a very testing period for many of you. Okay, from the month of May, all this nuisance started for many of you, and now this person is manifesting you, wanting you back in their life. Like see the Magician, the Knight of Wands. So even if you see them coming up with very small actions, very tits and bits here and there, but they are at least taking that action from a long time. I think this person was just thinking and not taking any action, but now they are coming up with action. Okay, maybe they are preparing themselves to take action. Okay, with this Three of Wands and this Knight of Wands. So maybe they are preparing themselves, making their mind right, making up their mindset to take action for you. So quite possible for many of you, this person in the month of August, they're going to take this action, finally coming up with communication, finally coming up. Now Wands is a card of communication, so maybe they are coming up with communication. Okay, direct communication. They are going to they're going to hit to your sweetest spot. Okay, they know where to hit and where you will respond back, so they are going to do that. Okay, I think this person has come to a realization what value you add to their life, and they are not in any mood to lose you. No matter how many challenges, how many tests they have to, how many obstacles they have to cross, they are willing to come to you. They are willing to take that step. Okay, so they are not giving up. I'm seeing this person fighting for you. Okay, maybe if this person's family was involved into this scenario, they are willing to go against their family, or maybe persuade their family to accept you. Let's clarify one more time. I want to see what more comes up for you. What else do we have for Libra in their love life in the month of August? What more do we have for Libra in the month of August? What more do we have for Libra in the month of August? Okay, cards are just flowing by. Okay, one more card, one more. I want total 6 cards, so one more. Okay, so I have my 6 cards. Now I will just arrange them. First one is the Chariot movement. Definitely you are going to see movement, 7 of Swords. This person is feeling as if someone has been taken away from them. 6 of Pentacles, Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Devil, Capricorn, specifically a Capricorn. Justice, this is your energy. Maybe you want justice, or maybe they are going to provide you with justice. And the next one is 4 of Swords. Yeah, I think this person, no matter what, they are charging, they are heading towards you. They want to come back to you. Movement, this is a card of movement, swift movement. Okay, channeling, coming back to you. Okay, so yeah, I think this person feels lost without you. They feel as if they don't have you, basically they don't have anything, is what they feel. Okay, and they are going to tell you, express to you how they feel towards you. I think in the past maybe you were only giving and they were only receiving your love and not giving it back, not reciprocating. But now I think they will be, it is time for them to be more generous, to show you how much they love you, how much you value you add to their life. With this Devil card, I think a lot of passion, a lot of attraction, a lot of feeling, charged up to be in your life is what I'm seeing from their energy. Okay, with this Devil card. With this 4 of Swords, I feel as if this person is now healing, maybe taking rest and rejuvenating. Okay, this is a card of rest and rejuvenate. Maybe they are healing, they are coming up with a very fresh energy back to you. Okay, they want to provide justice. They want to give you justice because you are, you are Libra, you are justice yourself. So yeah, they want to give you justice. They want to be generous to you, show you how much they can give. Okay, they are not the one who are only always taking and not reciprocating back. This time they want to give it back to you. Okay, so yeah, Libra, be ready for some action. Okay, I'm also seeing they're accepting you with every rights and wrongs. They know everything about you and they are okay with it. Okay, so yeah, let's see what do we have from the Power of Love activation cards. What's there for Libra in the month of August? What message or advice do we have for Libra? Compassion. You demonstrate the language of heart by actively sharing and living love. I think, yeah, you must be more compassionate towards yourself first. Okay, maybe you're too harsh on yourself. Maybe you're too, you're taking wrong decisions for yourself. So love, self-love is the thing you must practice. You must practice compassion. Okay, so yeah, towards yourself and towards others. Self-love, what I told you just right now, I said you must understand the value of self-love. Okay, loving yourself is the only way that you can love others. Okay, if you don't love yourself, you're not going to love anyone else. See, the bottom of the deck is forgiveness. Okay, so maybe they are going to come back asking for forgiveness, or it is told to you, it is conveyed to you that you need to forgive someone in your life. See, I was picking up the cards for from the handwritten advice, and see what card came up. Loyal. Maybe this person is loyal. You just need to open your eyes and see the truth. Okay, family issues. I told you with this 5 of Wands in the previous spread we saw it. 5 of Wands is also about family issues. Maybe the family was the one who were intervening into the situation. Brainwashing, family issues, brainwashing. So maybe family were the ones who were, brainwashing this person. Children, maybe children were involved. Maybe the family issues means this person was into a third party situation, or maybe they were already married. Okay, shifting. So maybe you're going to shift to some other place, or maybe this is not the physical shift, this is a mental or spiritual shift that is happening within you, or going to happen in the month of August. So yeah, I hope you like this reading, Libra. If you did, please hit the like button and see you next video.